Good morning. I am John. So I am representing Such where our mother NGO is. So Such is there in 20 states from Delhi to Kerala. So Sansvila is a flagship project of Such. So we focus on NDDs. We focus on NDDs, neurodevelopmental disorders, where we bring all the therapies which are available in India together along with Ayurveda, Unani and homeopathy to get the best result in rehabilitation. We also add psychology, special education, sensory parts, arts. From the section of arts, we have drawing, music, dance, etc. We integrate technology also with it, like we give class for computer classes, sensory smart boards. We give AR, VR, augmented reality and virtual reality. All these are given to maximize the level of rehabilitation. It's not mandatory that we give all the therapy to every individual. We give according to individual, person to person. We had also take the essence of Kerala from Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy. And we have a lot of therapies from occupational therapy, speech therapy, physiotherapy, child development therapy, ARVR therapy, etc. You can see something known as play therapy here, which is not there in India, which is more widely used in Western countries. We try to implement it in Kerala in our center. Why play therapy? That's the main question. So there are a lot of therapies. Why play therapy? Why it is special? So through the period of time when I had personally learned about play therapy, I understood it had a lot of results. So play therapy is the language of individuals under the age of 2, also with NTDs and GDDs. So individuals who have GDD, NTD and all, they won't be having a language. Instead, play will be their language. That's the way they try to communicate with the therapist or the concerned individual. So in play therapy, if you see, there are main two ways how you can do play therapy: non-directive and directive. Non-directive means kids will be selecting what they need to play. In directive, therapists will be selecting the toys or puppets, whatever they need to go through. So basically, this is the idea. We had already rehabilitated 150 individuals free of cost, pick and drop facility. Around us, 6 panchayats are there. According to government survey, in the 6 panchayat, around 2,000 individuals are there with NDDs. So our future venture will be rehabilitating that 2,000 individuals. And if this idea feels unique to people, now people start taking it with both hands. We wish that the world or globe take this idea. Being here today, it was a great experience. We had connected or collaborated with a lot other departments. We could able to see, communicate with a lot of people. I guess to communicate with the world is the best way. Be a part of Purple Fest. Thank you. So even we have drawing session in our center where one of our kids who is having ID intellectual delay had drawn all these pictures. Initially he was not having fine motor grasp. Gradually through the period of time he had learned how to hold pen or pencil, and gradually he had start learning alphabets. He had start drawing little bit, so we got to understand like he have an aptitude towards drawing and all. So we put a drawing, so he started learning how to draw properly. So these are his paintings or drawings.